Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix couldn't sign in error on your Google Play Store. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Sometime a weak or unstable connection is all it takes to stop Google from signing you in. Solution 2. Clear cache and data of Google services. Let's now clear the app data of two key services. First, Google Play services. Open Settings app. Tap on App Management. Tap on Search bar and type Google Play services. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data and confirm. Now go back and search for Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data and confirm. This will not delete your apps, it just restart the Play Store's temporary data. Solution 2. Fix date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can prevent your phone from syncing with Google services. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on System. Tap Date and Time. Enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone. This ensures your phone stays in sync with Google servers. And that's it. Hopefully this solution can fix the issue for you. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.